Hello everyone, I am Somsekhar. Welcome to Ethical Fiber. This channel is focused on cybersecurity, real-time practice, and ethical hacking. And also there is upcoming crazy videos like real-time hacking, career Linux tutorial, bug bounty basics, and step-by-step roadmap from beginner to pro. If you are serious about ethical hacking and wanted to learn right and legal way, this channel is for you. So, without wasting time, let's get into the video. In this video, we will discuss what is ethical hacking, types of hackers, and tools used in ethical hacking. Before getting into ethical hacking, first we will discuss what is hacking. A hacking simply means finding a weakness in a system. That system may be a website, mobile app, computer, or even a Wi-Fi network. For example, a hacker attacks a system by identifying its weakness and exploiting them to gain unauthorized access on the system through breaking some rules. And let me explain a real time example. Let's imagine your house. Your house has a main door, windows, and a lock. If the door lock is strong and properly closed, your house is safe. But if the lock is weak or the door is not properly closed, a thief can easily enter. A black hat hacker is like a thief. He enters your house without permission and steals valuable things. An ethical hacker is like a security expert. You invite him to check your house security. He checks the door locks, windows, and back door and tell you where the security is weak. He doesn't steal anything. He only reports the problem so you can fix it. This is exactly what is ethical hacking is. Finding a weakness with permission and fixing them is known as ethical hacking. With most of the companies, the ethical hacker roles involves protecting system from the cyber attacks before attackers can exploit them. Ethical hackers will find the security vulnerabilities. Here, security vulnerabilities means if there is any system mistake or a human mistake in a website and network by testing their security. By identifying and fixing those weaknesses in the system, that helps to prevent data theft and cyber attacks. And the ethical hacker's responsibility is to report the bugs and helping companies stay secure and trusted. Next, we are going to types of hackers. Mainly, there is three types of hackers. One is black hat hacker, second white hat hacker, third grey hat hacker. Number one, black hat hackers. Black hat hackers are the illegal hackers who steal data, money, and damage systems without any permissions. And also they can break the laws, and also they do bank frauds, website defacement, and malware attacks. Mostly in the recent times we will hear about website hacking. By hacking the website, they steal our personal data and they can misuse it. For those black hat hackers, the government has announced the punishments based upon what they have done. Number 2, white hat hackers. White hat hackers are ethical hackers who work legally to protect website and networks with the permissions, and they follow the laws and they will protect the systems. The main role is to find the bugs and report to the person. For ethical hackers, the companies will give the legally permission to test the company's website. For ethical hackers, there is a plenty jobs in cybersecurity professionals. In our channel, we can see upcoming videos about job updates for ethical hackers or in a cybersecurity professionals. And the third one is grey hat hackers. Grey hat hackers falls between legal and illegal, and they can hack without the permissions, but they don't cause any harm to the particular owner. So Next, we will discuss what are the tools we will use in ethical hacking. Number one is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is special operating system made for ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals. Second one, Network Mapper. Network Mapper is used to scan networks and find connected devices. Number 3. Burp Suite. It is mainly used for testing web application securities. Number 4. Metasploit Frameworks. Metasploit is a powerful tool used to text system vulnerabilities. Number 5. Wireshark. Wireshark is a network traffic analysis tool. It captures and analyzes data packets in real time. Next one is Nikto. Nikto is a web server scanner tool. It checks for updated software or misconfiguration and or even a unknown vulnerabilities. Next one is SQL Map. SQL Map is an automated tool for detecting SQL attacks. And the last one is Aircrack. Aircrack it is used for wireless networks security testing. It helps analyze and test the Wi-Fi passwords and encrypt. Ethical hackers will use it to secure wireless networks. These are the tools we will use in ethical hacking. To understand more about ethical hacking, do subscribe to our channel. Today's video we have seen what is ethical hacking, types of hackers and tools we will use it in ethical hacking. In the next video we will start our practical journey, that is how to install Kali Linux on a virtual machine. And also we will discuss what is virtual machine and what are the operating systems we will use in virtual machine. And we will learn essential Kali Linux commands that every beginner should learn. So if you found the video useful, please comment below, and if you have any doubts or topic suggestions, and also share your friends who wanted to learn ethical hacking. Thank you.